What's up, entrepreneurs? My name is Ben from Jolly Roger Ecom, and today we're going to be going over how to get elite level support from Amazon seller support. It is a constant battle to actually get someone on the phone who is based here in the United States, who can actually work with you to solve your problems. Normally when you call, you get someone at a call center who just reads off a script and will maybe reword it in like 3 different ways, but just give you the same answer and not help you at all. There's a really simple solution, and I'm gonna tell you how to do that right now. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go into the app. I suggest using the app for this because it's just simpler to have them actually call you. So you go into the app and you click the 3 bars in the upper left-hand corner. That's the menu button. You scroll down to contact seller support and you click that. Now it's going to be issue specific. Some issues only allow email support, but things like inventory or FBA issues, etc., allow someone to actually call you. So you go over, if you look, it'll usually have the email and then it'll have the phone tab. You click that, you put your number in the bottom, and then you click call me now. Now you're gonna get called from someone at a call center. The first and most important thing that you're gonna do is you're actually going to explain your full problem to this person, even though they might not really understand what's going on. You're gonna humor this person and you're gonna be kind to them and you're gonna walk them through everything. I have actually on occasion had someone help me and solve my problem from this call center. It almost never happens, but it has happened to me before, okay? And the reason that you want to be nice to them is because what you're going to ask them to do next, sometimes I've gotten pushback even when I'm treating them as if they are the last line of defense and they're giving me the best help possible. So you're nice to them, you explain the problem, they read off the script, right? You go back and forth a little bit in a nice and courteous way. And then when they're totally and completely not getting it, what you say is, I'd like to talk to captive FBA, or you can say the FBA team. Sometimes they'll say, okay, no problem, and they'll transfer you right over. On occasion, they'll give you pushback. I don't know what it is. Maybe they get like dinged if they're not able to solve your problem. But again, this goes back to why it's important to be courteous and kind to these people, because the better you treat them, the more likely they are to actually transfer you over to the team. You may have to repeat yourself a few times saying, I don't think that you're completely understanding this issue. I'd like to speak to the captive FBA team. And after saying that a few times, you should get transferred over. If you don't, you can just hang up and call back and get someone who will transfer you over. I've had that happen in the past. I've actually hung up, called back. It does create a different case number, but who cares? You're not losing any money on that. So now you're on the phone with the FBA team. This is someone stateside, generally based in Washington, where Amazon is, and they are gonna be able to work with you to work through your problems and actually give you a solution. These are the people who know Amazon inside and out. Make sure you explain your problem clearly and work with them, and they will work with you. It's much better than the call center that you're gonna get or even email support, okay? These people are on the phone and they're gonna solve your problem if you work with them. And that's it. So just a quick rundown. Go into your app, contact Amazon, call me now. They call you, you speak to the person at the call center, you're kind and courteous. Once you fully explain your problem and repeat yourself 2 or 3 times and they're not getting it and they're not able to help you, request to speak to the captive FBA team, and they should transfer you over, and you're actually gonna get someone who's gonna help you with your problem and find a solution with you. So that is a solution for a problem that a lot of people encounter. And if you want more tips and tricks like that, number 1, subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. Number 2, join the Facebook group that I have linked below. It's small right now. I'm on there, I'm the admin. If you post a question in there, you're gonna get help directly from me. I'm an experienced Amazon seller. And you can also check out the other links that I have down below. I have a detailed blog post on this. I have my Amazon affiliate link. If you wanna buy something from Amazon, click that. And I really appreciate you watching this video and hope it helped you. That's it for today. Hit subscribe and join the Jolly Roger Ecom Facebook group. I'll see you on the next one.